Hello my fibers, today I'm going to show you how to make a short collared long sleeve shirt. Begin by tracing your patterns onto the wrong side of the fabric. Now cut them out, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now hem along the bottom of the sleeve using a straight stitch. Repeat for the other side. For the 2 back halves, hem along the bottom and up the middle. Remember to fold the corner neatly when you get to it. Repeat for the other side. For the front, hem along the bottom. With the turtleneck, hem up one side, across the top, and down the other side, leaving the bottom raw. To attach the zipper to the 2 back halves, line it up with the collar and sew along your hemline. Stitch several loops at the bottom to create a new base for the zipper. Repeat for the other side. Now cut off the bottom of the zipper and the 2 tabs at the top. With the front and back, line up the shoulder seams and stitch together. Now take the collar and line it up with the collar of the shirt, putting good side to good side, and stitch in place. Now attach the sleeve by lining up the points and stitching in place. Repeat for the other side. Now fold in half and stitch along the side and up the sleeve. Once you've done this for both sides, gently turn inside out. And you're done. For this version of the shirt, I attached the zipper at the base of the collar, but I made a second where I attached the zipper at the top of the collar, and it gave me a more closed look. You can do it either way. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and like my creations, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos like this. Until next time, my fibers.